Today we are going to be creating a website, but we are going to start off by creating folders, just sorting out our HTML files. Okay, so that is going to be the first session that we're going to be focusing on. So I don't want to waste time, but I'm just going to go ahead and start. Sorry for the noise that is at my background. Okay, so the first things first that we're going to do, we're going to create a new site. So in order for us to do that, we're going to go to site, right on top, okay, of our menu. So we're going to go to site, and then from site we click on new site, and then we are going to give our site a name. So I'm going to give this one I'm going to say Dreamer 2, okay, and I need to choose a local site folder on my PC. So I'm going to go to my files, wherever I want to save my my site. I'm going to save it here, and then I'm going to click it. I'm going to put it there on YouTube. Okay, and then from here I think I'm going to create a folder, and I am going to give it maybe okay, let's just say test 1. Okay, test 1. I'm just gonna say test 1 for now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click create. Okay, I've got a folder, then I'm gonna save it there on test 1. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click save. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly go and check if I have saved my file properly. Okay, so students, third years, YT, and then test. Okay, that is basically where I have my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna be saving it there. Right, moving on. So now that the folder is created on my Dreamweaver files, so you're gonna be able to see this folder that you have created. It's going to be on your local files, so it is right there. So if you don't find your file, or if you can't find your files, the next thing that you can do is you're going to go to Windows, and then you need to look for files. Okay, right, don't worry about that, we are basically here. Right, so these are our files, and now to create your HTML files, you need to create your pages first. Remember, the assignment says that we must have 4 pages, which is your home page, the about, gallery, and contacts. That also depends on the website that you're going for. Some of you are going for the portfolio, some of you e-commerce. Okay, and from here we need to create our first HTML. So in order for us to do that, we're going to go to file, and then from there we're going to click new, and then what we want to do is to create an HTML. If we want to create some CSS style or styles .css, you're going to click there, but now we're creating the HTML, so we're going to select HTML, and then it needs to be on this mode, and then from here you click create. All right, so this is great, and now we need to save this file because it's just an empty HTML. We need to make sure that we are going to save this this file inside our Dreamer Dreamweaver 2 folder. So this one is going to be, so we're basically just going to click save, and this one is going to be my home page. Okay, our home page, we're going to call it index. Okay, remember everything must be in lower cases, index.html, and then I'm going to hit save. Okay, so we have got the first page, right? And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create the other pages as well. So I'm going to click file, new, and then HTML, none, then create, right? Okay, and then I'm going to save it, save, and I'm going to save this one as my about page. So I'm going to say about.html. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead, save. Okay, so what you are noticing is that, so we on our left hand side, let's start on our right hand side. So you're able to see like the structure now. At least we do have some structure on our file. So we have got on our local file, this is the main the root folder, which is a Dreamweaver 2, and then inside it we have got about and index.html. So this is where the files are going to be sitting, and also up here you're able to see the tabs. Okay, so I'm going to create another one, since we said we need to have 4 pages, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on my HTML, from there create, and then I'm going to save this one as a gallery. All right, save. And then from here you need to type gallery and save. As you guys can see that we have got our files, okay, inside our folder, and then I'm going to create the last page, okay, which is going to be our contact page. Okay, and okay, what do we do now? File, new, HTML, none, create. Okay, and then save again, save. Okay, from here we need to rename this file contact, right? Okay, save. There we go. We have got our 1 2 3 4 pages. So one thing that I want you guys to know is that you should make sure that you don't have some spaces, and also you don't use your capital letters, because they are going to be what's this, they're going to be a code. Okay, so everything must be in lower cases, right? So now that we've got our 4 pages, we need to create our styles sheet. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing, and then we're going to go to file, new. Now we are going to select CSS. From here we are going to create, and from here we've got our CSS and file, save, and from here we have got our file, which we need to save it as style. Okay, and then save.